When Fudge goes to sleep, it's like he's rounding up sheep in his dreams as he never lies still. He snores and sighs, wriggles and writhes, as if he's chasing a flock downhill. Fudge's body shakes when he first awakes at the start of a brand new day. He stretches and sneezes, whimpers and wheezes, and then he's ready to play. It's never boring when Fudge goes exploring. There's always something new. A fox to race, a cat to chase, and maybe a squirrel or two. When Fudge eats his food, he's awfully rude. His manners are really quite gross. He slobbers and slurps, belches and burps, and tromps all over the house. Fudge finds it frightening when it's thunder and lightning. Loud bangs scare him too. He shivers and shakes, quivers and quakes, and I do the same, don't you?